All right, I thought you'd enjoy seeing the process here. 1 drop of Bow Lube is all you need, and I got to make sure this is lined up. And I'm actually doing this cross-handed, which I normally wouldn't do, but the way it's set up, I'll block your view if I do it the way I normally do it. And if you're lucky, you will see the spiral pieces of the aluminum walk up the bit, and they come out at very high speed, rotating around, which is why you need these nice dorky, we used to call them BCG birth control glasses, but they're safety glasses. They are absolutely critical in this kind of an operation. So let me make sure I got this lined up properly here. And normally I go a little quicker than this, but for your purpose. Okay, so fingers out of the way. Let's make sure it's still lined up. Yeah. There, I don't know if you can see that, but those shards are just spinning around very rapidly. Sometimes they come flying off. Oops. I hope that worked. More to come.